In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use ambient mode on YouTube. YouTube ambient mode enriches the viewing experience by incorporating gradient colors into the background while you're watching videos. These colors are derived from the video itself, creating a soft, gradient texture that appears as if the video's color are extending beyond the player. And here's how to activate it on your device. Before accessing the ambient mode, ensure that dark mode is enabled on YouTube. This feature works exclusively in dark mode. Tap on any video to start playing. Tap the screen to reveal control options. And then tap the settings icon located in the top right corner. This will bring up a pop-up menu. In the pop-up menu, locate and tap on Additional Settings. Within the Additional Settings menu, locate Ambient Mode. Toggle the Ambient Mode switch to enable or disable the feature, and if you disable Ambient Mode, you'll see a confirmation pop-up message re-indicating that the feature has been turned off. If you wish to re-enable it, follow the same steps outlined above. And keep in mind that ambient mode doesn't function for offline videos unless you have an active internet connection. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Currently, ambient mode is not available for desktop, only for mobile devices. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.